This is cold water. I'm not even gonna use hot water on this. I'm scared. We're gonna make one more combo after this. No hot water. What if it burns me? What? When did my sisters go in here? No hot water. Exactly. It's probably going to take me out. I already knew that. Ooh, this is good. Okay, I'm able to smell the Gain dish soap now. I'm able to smell the dish soap. Thank you, love. Oh, my sink is already messed up. I just need to replace the motor. What's it called? The food thing from the sink. That's the only thing that needs to get replaced. The garbage disposal, correct. My sink is not going to be fixed until I replace that garbage disposal. And I haven't. It's actually cheap. It's like $200. Yeah, it's like, yeah, exactly. It's like $149. It's like $149 or $200, but I haven't fixed it because what if I fix it and then I end up breaking it again? So it's like, you know what I mean? Like I'm still gonna be broken. So I'm just trying to. Yeah, he can fix it real quick. I just haven't bought it. But I will soon. Hopefully soon. But then when I do get it fixed, I'm not gonna be draining as much. I'm gonna have to be putting everything on bottles. Get that warranty. Oh, that's true. That is very, very true. I should get that warranty. You can still, but use that drum. Oh, okay. Where can I buy that? At Home Depot, right? Because I think I've seen a few. Add more water. You got it. More water. Ooh, I don't like this cold water. Walmart, Lowe's, Target. Okay. They all carry it. I'm going to have to go buy a bottle. Careful because you put product in your drain. And then you put Drano and it'll react. What? What if it does react and then, oh my, it'll get worse. Are you guys ready for me to drain? Hold on, let me try this, my epoxy. Man, my epoxy's ready to rip. Mind you, this is the first time I use, can you close that?
The what?
The balcony for me?
Oh, okay.
This is the first time I use this epoxy and it's already ripping.
I am freezing. It's cold up here.
Yes, I'm gonna add more water. This consistency ate. It really did. I haven't tried it. I haven't seen it where I live. I might need to order mine online because I haven't. I know a few people found it already. Okay, no more water. Let me start draining now. If you don't follow me, hit that follow for me. Ooh, it's gonna start overflowing. Oh Lord, I'm scared of this. Hopefully it drains. Yes, it's draining. Yes, 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 yes. Keep draining. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, keep draining. Look at that. It's going down easily. No, keep adding water. Because if we keep adding water, that's how I clogged it last night. Because I kept adding water. I noticed that. Let's let it drain. Once it drains all the way, let's add water. ¿Por qué no lo guardo? Es que tiene alcohol. Y cuando tiene alcohol no lo puedo guardar. Porque el alcohol solamente, si lo guardo como en la botella, se va a hacer como duro, como una roca. Se va a secar. Y cuando se seca con alcohol, se pone bien duro. No, I'm not getting up. I'm doing one combo left that they sent for.